As a young woman in her 20s, these are some important things I think every woman should know. Every woman should know how to save. Every young woman should develop a saving habit no matter how little you earn. If you are able to discipline yourself financially by saving monthly or weekly, depending on how you earn, this habit will create a financial safety net. You will achieve financial stability and reach your life goals sooner. There are lots of advantages of saving money. So if you are not saving money already, this is your cue to start saving money monthly. Every young woman should seek investment knowledge. The best time to invest is when you are young, and the best way to grow your money is by investing it. If you leave your cash sitting in the bank, it loses value because inflation makes the cash lose its value over time. That is why when you start saving, you start thinking about investing, you start learning about investment. So your money is not just sitting in the bank, you're investing it for it to grow. You're investing it to make more money. You're investing it to reach your financial stability. You're investing it for you to reach financial freedom. If you ever want to attain financial freedom or financial stability, you should start investing your money. No matter how little you earn, start investing your money. Every young woman should learn a skill. It is very important for you to learn a skill, especially when you are young. And this skill should be something that can make you money. Remember, the best way to invest is by investing in yourself. You can never go wrong by investing in yourself. You can invest in yourself in so many ways by going to school to get a degree, by learning a skill. Before I went to uni, I did a fashion design training course for a few months, but I couldn't continue because I had to go to uni. And where I did my training was far from where I went to school because they were both in different cities. It was never my intention to stop the training because I planned to go there on holidays, but my parents wanted me at home. So that was the end of my fashion design training. But this is a skill I can still build on anytime because I can make basic design, I can take measurements, I can use any sewing machine. A lot of you may not know, but I am a makeup artist. I did makeup to make money back in Nigeria, and I still do makeup here, but not as much as I did back in Nigeria. So let's say I do makeup on a part-time basis because if you live in the UK, you know everyone is all about work and people don't really party that much here. And the money I make from doing one person's makeup in the UK can take care of my monthly grocery expenses. To see some of my makeup jobs, you can check my Instagram page at underscore slate by Joe to see some of the works I've done. And feel free to book me for all your makeup services in the UK because I am available to travel anywhere in the UK. You can also check my TikTok page for a detailed makeup tutorial I uploaded sometime in April if you are still struggling to do your makeup. I also have a makeup video on my channel which will be linked to this video if you want to check it out. Every young woman should gain educational qualification. As much as we young people think school is scam, that's what we say, right? School is still very important, and your educational qualification can put you in positions and rooms you can only dream of. School is not scam. Go to school and get at least one qualification, and you will be glad you did. Every young woman should develop healthy eating habits. As you begin to age, you see the importance of eating healthy. And remember, you are what you eat. Replace those sweets and chocolates with fruits and nuts. Replace those coffee and fizzy drinks with fruit juices and water, and your skin and overall health will thank you. Every young woman should have a safe skincare routine. Who is still bleaching in 2024? If you are still using those harmful chemicals on your skin, it's time for you to stop because we all know skin bleaching has lots of side effects. Build a safe skincare routine for your skin type and your skin will thank you. Build a safe skincare routine and see how beautiful your skin will look. Every young woman should have a fashion sense. It is important for you to know what color suits your skin tone, what types of clothing suits your body type, and how to combine outfits correctly. This is not me asking you to go and start shopping. You can work with what you already have in your wardrobe. Just find a way to develop your style. Use Pinterest, Instagram, and Google to your advantage. I get most of my fashion inspirations from Pinterest. Check Pinterest and other social media platforms for ideas. You can follow fashion influencers that have same body type as you and copy some of their outfits. Just find your style and see how elevated your fashion sense will be. Every young woman should learn how to do things themselves. It is called DIY for a reason. There are certain things we should know how to do as women. Things like doing your own makeup, fixing your nails, laying your frontal wigs, fixing buttons, and doing small at home maintenance. If you can do some things yourself, trust me, you will be saving yourself a lot of money. Press on nails are very easy to do. You can buy a glue, buy a file, buy your press on nails, and you are good to go. You just need to apply the glue on your nails and stick the nails on, file it to your desired shape, and that's your nails done. You can also save yourself some money by doing individual lashes instead of going to a lash tech to fix your lashes. Individual lashes are very cheap. There are lots of videos online on how to fix your lashes at home. Watch these videos and put it to practice and see how much money you save yourself. There is this joy that comes with being able to do something by yourself. Some of these things are actually very easy to do. You just have to pay attention and practice. Every young woman should have self discipline and self respect. Self discipline will help you achieve your long term goals because it will help you prioritize correctly. It will help you eliminate procrastination and you will be happy because you are getting things done. Learn to love and value yourself, and others will value and respect you too. Every young woman should learn contentment. Contentment is the state of being happy and satisfied. And the best way to learn contentment is being grateful for what you already have. It's very okay to not be able to afford something. That's why our five fingers are not equal. And the brutal truth is, no one owes you anything in this world. So cut your coat according to your size. Stop wishing for what you can't have, especially when you know you can't afford it yourself. Accept the fact that you can't afford something and move on. And if you want something badly, work hard and get it yourself. Lastly, as a young woman, you should always try to improve yourself and level up. Challenge yourself. I feel like women have more opportunities to succeed compared to men, but unlike men, a lot of women don't take advantage of these opportunities and they settle for the barest minimum. If you want to go far in life, then hustle like a man. The last thing I'm going to leave you with today is create more than you consume and never settle for less. With that, we have come to the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, share it with all your friends who you think might need it. And if you think I missed anything or you'd like to add anything, please leave it in the comment section. Let's interact. And I'll see you in my next video. See you later, guys.